Morning, Steve here in Chicago with the morning grain comment. Prices are a little bit lower overnight. In the corn, when you see the headlines, they say corn prices may be losing ground because of some of the trade issues that are popping up with the new administration. Soybeans may be losing ground with a little bit better Argentina weather forecast. And wheat, while mixed, continues to be capped in rallies because of the large global supply. Chinese markets were mixed, soybeans up, corn up, meal up, but soybean oil and palm oil were all lower on some long liquidation in front of the Chinese holiday. It is interesting that there's a lot of articles now being written about the impact on agriculture here in the United States because of the potential for renegotiating NAFTA. The former USDA chief economist, Joseph Glover, put out an article saying that in the last few years, U.S. ag exports have averaged $142 billion, with a surplus averaging $25 billion per year. 1/3 of what U.S. farmers and ranchers produce is exported, and 97% of the world expected population growth over the next 35 years will be outside the U.S. borders. So there continues to be quite a bit of discussion on just how much or how far some of these renegotiations should go. Funds yesterday, sellers of beans, oil, and wheat. They bought meal and corn. Continue to be long beans, meal, and oil, short corn and wheat going into the growing season. Export sales today, beans probably somewhere in the 450 to 650 million thousand tons area. 980 was last week. Continue to try to see if we keep up the pace needed to reach the USDA's goal, and if there's a slowdown as we approach Brazil harvest. Corn, 700,000 to 1 million tons. Last week we did almost 1.4 million tons. The demand for corn seems to be steady. We also note that on Friday, cattle on feed report could show placements at 108% from a year ago. And for wheat, 200,000 to 400,000 tons versus 240 last week. So expect a choppy trade as we try to feel our way through some of these uncertainties, South American weather, global demand, and any change in U.S. trade policy. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.